Why is my refrigerator making strange noises? A refrigerator can make various noises, and while some of them are normal, others might indicate potential issues that require attention. Here are some common reasons why your refrigerator might be making strange noises. Normal operational sounds. Refrigerators produce some regular operational sounds, such as humming, buzzing, or clicking. These sounds are often associated with the compressor turning on and off, fans circulating air, or the refrigerator going through defrost cycles. These noises are typically not a cause for concern. Vibrations. Vibrations from the compressor, condenser, or other components can cause rattling or buzzing sounds. Check to ensure that the refrigerator is level and on a stable surface. Adjusting the leveling feet can help reduce vibrations. Noisy compressor. A failing or malfunctioning compressor might produce loud and unusual noises, such as knocking or clanking. If the compressor is the culprit, it will require professional repair or replacement. Condenser fan issues. The condenser fan, located near the compressor, helps cool the condenser coils. If it's loose, dirty, or damaged, it may generate loud noises. Cleaning or repairing the fan can resolve the issue. Evaporator fan problems. The evaporator fan, located in the freezer compartment, circulates air throughout the refrigerator. If it's obstructed, worn out, or misaligned, it can make unusual noises. Cleaning, adjusting, or replacing the fan may be necessary. Water valve noise. If your refrigerator has a water dispenser or ice maker, the water inlet valve may create a humming or hissing sound when it fills with water. This is normal during the water filling process. Ice maker noise. Ice makers can produce various sounds during ice production, including ice cubes dropping into the bin or the ice maker filling with water. Defrost timer or heater noise. During defrost cycles, the defrost timer or heater may activate, causing clicking or hissing sounds. This is normal and necessary for proper functioning. Damaged components. Loose or damaged components, such as shelves, drawers, or loose items inside the refrigerator, can create rattling or banging noises. Make sure all internal items are securely placed. If you notice unusual or persistent noises coming from your refrigerator and you can't identify the cause, it's best to consult the refrigerator's user manual or seek assistance from a professional appliance technician. Prompt attention to any concerning noises can help prevent potential issues and keep your refrigerator operating efficiently.